So today I'm going to talk you through winter pruning of apple trees. This will also apply to pear trees as well. So in the winter, your main reasoning for pruning is to maintain the shape, whereas if you were pruning in the spring or summer, it's to encourage more fruit. So the winter is pretty simple. The main thing that you're doing is removing any dead or damaged branches or any diseased branches, and you're just trying to encourage the shape of your tree to grow in a certain way. So with apple and pear trees, and the majority of fruit trees really, the aim that you're trying to get with the shape is a goblet shape. And the reason for that is it's easy to pick the fruit, and also it encourages airflow. So if you had branches in the centre here, you wouldn't get any airflow, and that encourages more diseases. What I'll show you on this one, obviously it's quite a young one, but the rules would still apply to an older, more sort of mature apple tree. So as a rule of thumb, you want in a goblet shape, as I mentioned. This tree's quite a good shape anyway, because it's already sort of forming that. And you're wanting to encourage that with your pruning. So always prune to an outside facing bud, which I'll show you on here, as you're just encouraging it to get further and further growing in that direction basically. I'll probably take about this much off, just because you don't want it to grow too leggy at the top, so I'll probably cut to about here. So I'll probably go here, and as with other things, you want to cut that at a 45-degree angle, not flat, so that the rain will drain away from that bud here, and then I'll cut it to the same height on the other side. So I'll just do that now. There you go, so I've pruned that bit off, and then I'm just looking to do a similar thing on the other side. So that leaf and bud is facing outwards, so on this side I'll probably go for this leaf here, as that's also facing outwards. Okay, and now it's a little bit shorter, it's not as leggy. You're still getting that goblet shape, and that will continue. Obviously it'll drop all its leaves over the next couple of months, but when it starts to put growth on next year, you'll see it continuing to grow into that goblet shape.